afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 7. The instruction here says we should look out for the option that is most nearly opposite a meaning to the underlying word. As I told us, this topic is coming from some heading called antonyms under word formation, under words formation. That is where the topic is from, and the underlying word here is cause, and the sentence says the principal chastised Ben for his use of curse language and advised him to emulate his sister's behavior. The principal chastised Ben for his use of curse language and advised him to emulate his sister's behavior. So what is the opposite of the word curse? The option A here, pure. When we talk of pure means raw or innocency, that is innocent. When something is pure, innocent. Then option B is here, say neat. What we have here is neat, not rent. Neat simply means fine, and it is the opposite of rough. So refined, option C says refined means to be precise is synonymous to, and it is opposite to what we call impure. Then option D is known as organized, and organized is synonymous to neat, is also synonymous to fine. So, and the sentence say, now let's go back to the sentence. The principal chastised Ben for his use of coarse language and advised him to emulate his sister's organized behavior. So behavior can be organized. Behavior can be organized. Behavior cannot be neat or pure. So behavior can be organized. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.